Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Mi 11i and today I'll show you face unlock test. Let's see how this option works in the smartphone. Let's make a few tries and let's see how it performs. As you can see, it's very fast. Okay, I just activate quick launch right now because I tap. Oh, come on, I just tapped this power key 2 times. So as you can see, it's reliable, it recognizes my face every time. And it's also fast. I think it's the same speed like on the fingerprint sensor, or no, maybe it's slightly slower. Yeah, as you can see, fingerprint sensor is a little bit faster, but the face unlock also is really good here. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.